On this week's Seder, we see Vayetzu Kol Adas Bnei Yisrael B'lifnei Moshe. People went for Moshe Rabbeinu. Of course they went. It says at the beginning of the Parsha, Vayakhail Moshe. So what does the end of the Parsha have to say? Vayetzu Kol Adas Bnei Yisrael B'lifnei Moshe. The answer is, when you leave the tzaddik, how the tzaddik is mashpi on you. The tzaddik is mashpi on the person. When the person leaves the tzaddik and he goes from the tzaddik with such a purekeit, softly, talk slowly, thinks what the tzaddik said. Let's say someone leaves the Stipler's house, or the house of a Rav Shach, or the house of a Moshe Feinstein, or the house of a Rav Ovadia Yosef. He goes out. He spoke to him. Or the house of Rav Yashiv, or Chaim Kanievsky. Chaim Kanievsky, Kodesh HaKadoshim. You come out of his house, you think, what did he tell me? What did he answer me? Which question did he listen? Which question did he answer? What am I supposed to do? When a person leaves the house of the tzaddik, how it must be on him, must be on the person which saw the tzaddik and heard the tzaddik. Vayetzu kol adas b'nei Yisrael b'lifnei Moshe. People which left the house of Moshe, they left Moshe Rabbeinu. They saw exactly what Moshe Rabbeinu is, and there was much fear you could see on the faces, how people act, how people talk, what people think about when they leave the tzaddik. You don't find it that a person leaves the house of the tzaddik and he barks and he talks like an animal. No, he talks softly, slowly. I was in the house of a Moshe Feinstein, yes. I was in the house of a Rav Shach. Why? I saw how Rav Shach spoke to me, and he listened to me, and he thought about my problem. Then a person leaves the house of the God Lador. Vayetzu kol adas b'nei Yisrael b'lifnei Moshe. That's what it says. That's what the Levi explains of the beginning of Parshat Vayakhail.